I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sausage and potato soup. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite sausage, 2 pounds of potatoes, and 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Don't forget to dice 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. These aromatics will build a fantastic flavor foundation. Also, have some heavy cream and fresh parsley on hand for a creamy finish and garnish. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot or Dutch oven, brown your 1 pound of sausage over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's nicely browned, remove the sausage and set it aside, leaving about 2 tablespoons of drippings in the pot. Next, add your diced onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté these vegetables until they are tender, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Finally, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to build the soup. Add your 2 pounds of cubed potatoes to the pot, along with 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are cooked through, stir in the previously browned sausage and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. This adds a wonderful richness and creamy texture to your soup. Almost there. Taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into bowls and garnish each serving with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color and flavor. This hearty soup is perfect for a cozy evening. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade sausage and potato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.